안녕하세요. Welcome to Gyeong-sun's Korean class. Today we will learn about the grammar noun plus ida, which means to be. So it's the simple way to say, like, for example, I am Gyeong-sun. So am, like from to be, you will conjugate it to I am, right? So in Korean language, in a similar way, we have ida, which is to be. Okay, so we can change it to either 이에요 or 예요 depending on 받침. Okay, which is whether it is ending with a consonant or a vowel, right? And also 입니다. So I believe you guys have heard about 입니다 before. So 입니다 is actually to be, but then in a formal form. Okay, so for example, we have 책 plus 이에요, right? We want to say it's a book. So 책 plus 이다. So 이다 will become 이에요. Okay, 이에요. Why is it 이에요 but not 이에요? It's because we have a 받침. Okay, so this character is ending with a consonant. That's why it's 이에요. Okay, and for 예요, okay, so when there is no 받침, so 사과 it's apple. Okay, apple, so it's an apple. 사과 plus 이다, so 이다 will become 예요. Why? Because we this character is ending with a vowel here, and it has no 받침, so it's 예요. Okay, so from 이다, no 받침. If no 받침, 예요. With 받침, 이에요. Okay? So for 입니다, which is the formal way of saying, it's 책입니다. So for 입니다, it doesn't matter. Okay? For 입니다, both we can just use 입니다. Okay, you can see here, 책입니다 is a book. 학생, you see, 학생, it has a 받침, but still, we just plus 입니다. 저는 학생입니다. I'm a student. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You can choose between 예요 or 이에요, and for formal, everything just plus 입니다. Okay, formal. Okay, I believe up to here is very simple. So let's do some practice to see if you really understand the concept of 받침 along with the conjugation for 이다. Okay, to be. Okay, for this practice, I have made some simple sentence here. 이거는 something. 이에요 or 예요, depending on the last character. Okay, so this, 이거 is this, so this is something. So let's do some practice together. Okay, so the first one we did before, 책, so which means a book. So is it 이에요 or 예요? So yes, the answer is 이에요. Why? Because it has 받침. Okay, it has a 받침 here. It is ending with a consonant. Okay, and the second one we have 학생, which means student. So you can see 학생, there is a consonant here. So is it 예요 or 이에요? Yes, the answer is 이에요. Very simple. And third one, we have 의자. 의자, chair. So it's very obvious. There is no 받침. It is ending with vowels. So 의자, 예요. It's a chair, right? And next we have bag. 가방. So 가방, you can see there's a consonant. So 이에요. 가방이에요. Okay. And next we have house. 집. So very obvious, we have a consonant. it's the 받침 over there. So 집이에요. Okay, it's a house. 집이에요. And next we have 물건. So 물건 actually means a object or item in general. Okay, so very obvious. We have a 받침, we have a consonant here. So 물건이에요. Okay, and the next one we have 연필. 연필 means pencil. Okay, and very obvious. We have a consonant here, which is our 받침. So 연필이에요. Okay, 연필이에요. And next we have 음식, which means food. Okay, food, the food that we eat. Okay, so very obvious. We have a 받침, we have a consonant. 음식이에요. And next we have 영화관. 영화관, which means cinema. So 영화관이에요. Okay. So yeah, why? Because we have a consonant, and we have the next one, hospital. 병원. 병원, we have a 받침. We have a consonant here. So 병원이에요. And this one, I leave it for you to practice, okay? So I believe for now you can easily tell whether it is 이에요 or 예요. Okay? So you have all the translation here. I suggest you pause the video before I start writing here, and you can just fill in the answer. Okay? And next, let's do some summary of what we have learned today. So it's an, our noun, plus 이다, which is to be, right? So depending on 받침, we have 이에요 or 예요. And for formal, everything combines with 입니다. Okay? So informal, I'm a student, so 학생이에요. But formal, 학생입니다. Okay? And next one, it's a teacher, 선생님이에요. So informally, so in the your form, so 선생님이에요. Why? Because we have a consonant here, which is the 받침. So 선생님이에요. Okay, and for formal, just add 입니다. 선생님입니다. Okay, it's combined. You don't have to care about the 받침 for formal. Okay, and last one, it's an apple. 사과예요. Why? Because it's ending with a vowel and there is no 받침, right? And for formal, simple. 사과입니다. Just combine with 입니다. Okay? So I hope you guys like this lesson. And please subscribe if you want to learn Korean in a simpler way. Okay? 감사합니다.